Okay, I'm going to walk through the functions which I already show you guys on my screen here. Okay, the assurance is choice. It's called complete the function choice that accept an array of the string. Okay, so let's write pseudocode here. Complete the function choice that accepts an array of string and iterates through the array using for loop. Using the variable result file choice if the array contains the string choice. Otherwise, update the value result. These are not the choice you are looking for. Okay, so what we're going to do is input will be and will be array of string. So the output will be string, which will increase. So will be string. When we file, we find the joy in array input. So first we're going to declare function joys and array, then we declare variables results, which is set it equal to the string, and then we're going to iterate an array by using it for loop. And then we're going to check if is element in contain joy. Return. And we're going to return joy. Otherwise, we're going to return, otherwise update the result. Right? Otherwise, we update the result to be 2. These are not the joy you are looking for. Okay, so then we move to codes. We already declare the result. Let me move here. The result. So we're going to iterate an array by using for loop. We create a for loop with initial index I and start it from 0, and we check condition of if I less than array dot length th, and we increment I by 1. And then we go through the body of for loop and we check if array index I is contain Roy, the string of Roy. Then we're going to return we try this one. We're going to return for the string of file. OUNDDLOIDS file die. Otherwise, if we didn't see, we update result. Set it to is not the joy. You are looking for. Okay, let's run the code if it's work. Oh, not wow. Wow. Nan is nan. Why is we nan? Okay, so let me check this one. Here's if turn that is for normal if and try to get it run again. That not dead. So what's happened? It's like I array in Troy. Let me check here why it doesn't work. Return. In second. Update the okay, sorry. It should be update the result and should not have return because we will return after. So let's run. Let's try to run again. What's happened? So let's lock. What is this one? It should not be hot. Okay, so this is so let's move to inside body. We run again. Joy. Yep. Why doesn't work? Man. Result of a result would be should not be hot. Why is that? Result with string. So this is we should update this one. Oh, okay. I mean, I'm doing wrong. It should just press equal. This one. No. Oh. Result. Should be work. Why? So to, okay, it says, update the result to file if array of things. Oh, okay. I think it should be work now because I should not add. It should be work. 1 second, let's try again. So this one, I think, because it's not typing correct, so should be work now. Ah, okay, no doubt. Very strict. That what's happened. These are not the joy you're looking for. Result. Why doesn't show here? Oh, okay. Sorry, we should start inside help. Check, okay. And again, because I think I'm typing incorrect, just copy it. I'm not sure. Oh, correct. Not that what's happened. It's still incorrect. Okay, let me try this one. These are not. You are. But then collect. Why does it work? Okay, I'm typing wrong. Yeah, it's working now. Let me copy here. And I'm going to pray to my code. Draw. Let's be serious. Okay, so let me copy this one. Okay, that's it. Let me see this if I can do other something like want to refactor. So I can do like this one, I think. Not sure if this way work because I tried to check it now. It's worked too. Okay, this other thing. So let me share it here. Can do like this each other, but have to be inside a for loop. Let's uncomment this one. Okay, so let's run. That's great. Okay, make it done and move to the other one. Using for each. This one gonna using for each. So it's kind of like the same the previous exercise. So this one gonna use for each. So we input the same. Okay, now I will try to do this. Okay, children using for each create a function drawings from the previous strings, but instead of using for loop, we use a for each method. So same thing. So input will be array of string, and output will be string with concat string. So we create the variable result is set it to empty string, and then we increment it, iterate array by using for each. We iterated an array by using a for each check if element 5 rồi then return. Let me just copy here. Right. Otherwise, we will return this. So then let's code. So we use array and use the for each with element, and then we check if element is equal to true. Then we will update. We will reassign result to array. Otherwise, result will be is not the drawer you're looking for. And test the code and run it. Yep, it works. So let me see if it goes here using for loop. Using for is. Let me write it down. And this is my for each. So let me copy and just place it here. Okay, so we make it done and move to the next one. This one is short circuiting a loop. And comment first. Then they said do not use a variable to store your result. So we create a function holidays, and that's accept an array of the string. So input will be array of string. Then output will be a string. Of the result. So let's compare the holiday that accept an arrays, and we iterate. We're going to use iterators. We're going to iterate through array. Use a for each. I'm going to use for each. And if we found check if we edit element in arrays contain October, then return happy Halloween. Help return. Have a great day. So let's code it. So we're gonna iterate to array by using for each and check if each element inside. Then we will return. We're not just variable to store. How to will be return? It will not store. Will not return. Let's try. I'm going to check. Element is equal to octo. I'm not sure. Let me try. Okay. Not sure if this is work for me. Yes. Then we return happy Halloween. Otherwise, return have a great day. Not sure if this work. God, that's it. Cannot work here. How we return? This gonna be. And they don't want us to variable store really, so I'm gonna do it. Gonna be hey. Return undefined because for each is undefined. So if we didn't really use that one, how are we going to use for loop? For loop. Let's I set it equal to 0. We're going to iterate this array by if I less than array dot length, and then we increment I by 1. And then we're going to return here if array index I equal to October. Then we just return the string out of loop. Return happy Halloween. Otherwise, return have a great day. Okay, this is should work. Let me run. Yeah, why does it work? I think I'm stuck this one. Last time. Let's check if index I and sort of be true. Great day and have a great day. It is so why not go inside here. Why it for? October. Months. Why months have violated length? April and cat. Array index I. Why only come? Why only come at the first one? We're not still having it. Should not be hard. How we not able? How we gonna return even a store in result? How we not gonna store? Okay, so let me try again. Hey, should not be difficult. Going to the for each. Oh, let's try the other one. I'm going to use video. So video will return. No, not just once again. Let me try to see. Reduce cannot use. Okay, we are going to return. You will accept and we set it to. So we check if we will update. So if if current element is set equal to, we update is accurate. to be Halloween. Otherwise, we update is accurate to upgrade a, and then we're going to return CC. So let's try to run again. Yep, that's it. So let me for just that just getting a loop to be here, and I want to try the other option. We're gonna use for each. It's gonna use for each, right? No, for each cannot use it in this case because we need to have variables to set to store. Otherwise, we can use the other for loop, just normal for loop, right? So let's try. We're going to create a for loop, and we iterate loop by is array, and we set index equal to 0, and we check if I is less than array.length, and then we check if each element that should be AR, not array. Index I is set it equal to October, and then we're going to return just happy Halloween. And otherwise, I see why I have problem. We need to return outside of loop with have a great day. Have a great day. So let's try to run if it's working. Happy Halloween and have a great day. So that is working. Okay. How long I do here? It take. Okay, so make it done and move to the next one. They are like for explaining about this, but they're going to just so I'm not going to watch this one, but record it. So make it done and come back to see how they talk. Okay, next one will be this, but I'm gonna make in another video, not this video, okay? So just stop it, the video.